European Wellness Organization was founded on the philosophy of assessing, treating, and preventing chronic health disorders through patient-specific and integrative biological medicine down to the cellular level. Our Swiss-based cellular therapy and biomedical services are provided at various accredited centers around the world at beautiful sites. You can enjoy the locality of the area while being immersed in European wellness integrative treatments. The European Wellness Academy and Showcase is located in Kota Kinabalu, a major tourist destination and gateway for travelers visiting Sabah and Borneo. Sabah is richly blessed with nature diversity, unique cultures, fun adventures, beautiful beaches, and fantastic cuisines. The European Wellness Academy and Showcase in Kota Kinabalu was opened in 2016, where doctors, nursing staff, technicians, and researchers acquire, test, and train to use state-of-the-art technology and methodologies. This facility has welcomed tens of thousands of guests since its opening, offering interested parties including licensed healthcare practitioners, CPD-certified training at European wellness technologies and treatment methods. Our treatments are based on 4 basic steps: diagnostic, detoxification, repair, and rejuvenation. Each stage allows us to provide personalized care and treatment for your individual health and needs. Under capable hands, you will be treated for the root causes of your conditions and symptoms in a holistic framework of our integrative therapies. To facilitate the premium health management and therapies, our various instruments feature various state-of-the-art specific equipment and biomedical devices as well as conventional diagnostic tools. European Wellness Academy also conducts the Physician Continuous Medical Education Series, which provides training for physicians and doctors who are keen on developing knowledge and skills in the field of biological regenerative medicine.